Shuffles tutorial. Now I'll be teaching 5 different shuffles, some of which are more beginner level and easier. Some might take a little bit more practice, but you'll definitely get it. Now as always, if you want to learn any more house dance or any other dance styles, links in the description for all the other styles that I teach. I go over moves, routines, different technique videos, drill videos, warm-ups, all sorts of stuff. So be sure to hop on that. But apart from that, let's get straight into it. So the first shuffle we're going to do looks like this. So a lot of you may have seen that. If you're super new to house dance, then this will be a totally fresh one for you. Yeah. So how we're going to start this one. Anything I'm doing, I'll call out the opposite. So right now I'm kicking out my right leg, but I'll shout out left because obviously you will be mirroring me doing the opposite. Yeah, just to make it easier, less confusing for you. So you're going to start by kicking out your left leg. We're going to do it with no jump first, and then we'll build that jump in. Then you're going to switch, kick out your right leg. And then that right leg is going to kick behind here. Now it's important that that leg comes all the way behind and not just here. You're going to make sure your technique's good, yeah? So you kick out left leg, kick out right leg, and then bring it behind. And from here, you're going to kick that leg out. So you're going to kick your right leg out, and then kicking your left leg out, and then you're bringing that left leg behind. Then you're going to reverse what you've just done. So you're just doing the same on each side, yeah? So we're kicking our left leg out, kick right leg out, bring it behind. Then kick right leg out, kick left leg out, bring it behind. Okay, now you're going to do that with a jump. So every single kick or step you do in these shuffles, you hop. So just a little hop. So you're going to kick your left leg out and hop. You're going to hop onto that left leg, kick your right leg out. Then from there, you're going to hop on your standing leg and bring that right leg behind. And from here, you're going to shoot this leg out. So right leg is kicking out. Then you're going to kick left leg out as you hop on that right leg. And you're going to bring that left leg behind as you hop. Yeah? So there's your first shuffle. So let's do that again nice and slow. We'll build it up a little bit. We will do all of these shuffles as well with music at the end, so I'm fast. So make sure you stay around to the end, hit with music. So we're going. Kick left, kick right, bring it behind. Kick right, kick left, bring it behind. Kick left, kick right, bring it behind. Kick right, kick left, bring it behind. Yeah, your timing with this is like most house moves on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So your timing goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Obviously full speed will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Good. So there's the first one. Let's just recap that. So it's kick, kick, behind, and kick, kick, behind. First shuffle, done. Next shuffle in is pretty similar to that one. Instead of kicking behind with this one, you're going to kick in front. So for this one, again we'll go with no jumps. Kick your left leg, then kick your right leg. Now from here, instead of bringing it behind, you're going to kick it in front. So you're going to slightly turn your body to the diagonal and kick that foot in front. So again, you're going to kick left leg, kick right leg, and kick that leg that's up your right leg in front. And from here, this leg that's in front is kicking out. So your right leg is going to kick out. And you kick your left leg out. Then that left leg is going to kick in front. Then that leg that's in front, you're kicking it out. So left leg kicking out. Then right leg, kick it out. And kick that right leg in front. Then kick right leg out. Left leg out. Kick it in front. Okay, now let's add the hops in. So we're kicking out with that left leg. Kick out with right leg, and then kick in front. So you're hopping on every step. Now kicking that right leg out, kicking left leg out, make sure you're hopping on each step, and kick that left leg in front. Make sure you kind of bend that standing leg and dip down into it as well. So again, each side, you kick left leg out, kick right leg out, kick it in front. And kick right leg out, kick left leg out, kick it in front. The same with this one, it's on the 1, 2, 3. So slow, we go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Also with these shuffles, try and shift side to side. Make sure you're moving with it, yeah? Obviously quick, this one goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So quick recap on it. We kick, kick in front, kick, kick, in front. Awesome. There's 2 shuffles, done. Shuffle number 3. We're hitting a twist, so it looks like this. Yeah, so all we're going to do here, again, no jumps and no bottom in. So we're kicking up the left leg first, up in front. And make sure your foot is nice and high. You want to make sure that foot's up. You don't need to be low down here, lazy. Run that foot up nice and high. So kick that left foot up, then switch. Kick that right foot up. Then all you're going to do from here is twist it out. So twist, and again, keep that foot up. It could be down here, twist, but that doesn't look as good. Because if that foot's nice and high, it's a nice high twist. Yeah? Again, so kick left leg, kick right leg, twist. And from here, you're kicking that right foot in front. So that foot that's twisted, you're going to kick that in front, switch, kick left leg in front, and twist it out. Then, again, this foot that's twisted, you're kicking it in front. So kick left leg in front, kick right leg in front, twist. Yeah? So, let's add the hops in. So you're going kick, kick, and now you're twisting. So you're re-hopping on this leg that you're standing on, your left foot, you're twisting your right foot out. Then you're going kick, kick, twist, kick, kick, twist, kick, kick, twist. Nice. Same with this one. It's on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fast speed is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So quick recap on it is kick, kick, twist, and kick, kick, twist. Boom. Shuffle number 3 done. Next we're into shuffle number 4. This one, slightly more complex, slightly more difficult. I'll show you to the side. It looks like this. But this one's a nice one. This one's a fine shuffle. I like this one. So, what you're going to do with this one, you start with the same 2 kicks. So you're kicking left foot up, then kick right foot up. Now what we're going to do from here, this right foot is going to hop. You're going to kick that right foot back. Now you're going to re-hop on this standing foot, your left foot. You're going to hop forwards as your right foot kicks back. So if you've got your right foot up, you're standing on your left, this foot is going to kick back as you hop forwards on your front foot. You're switching, yeah? So we kick left, we kick right, then you want to kick it back. And we bring that leg back forward to start our next shuffle. Kick right, kick left, bring it back. And starting with that back leg, kick left, kick right, bring it back. Okay, let's add the hops in. So as I said, once you kicked 1, 2, when you do that switch, you hop, and then when you kick forward to this one, you hop that. So you're hopping away from that kick. So if you're kicking back, you're hopping forwards. If you're kicking forwards, you're hopping back. Yeah? So let's add the hops in nice and slow. So we kick left leg, kick right leg, hop it back, and kick right leg, kick left leg, hop it back, then kick left leg, kick right leg, hop it back, and kick right leg, kick left leg, hop it back. Your timing with this again is on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If I go to the side, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah? Quick speed, as you know. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Fast, real fast. So quick recap on that is kick left, kick right, hop it back, kick right, kick left, hop it back. Boom. Let's shuffle number 4 down onto our last shuffle. Then we'll smash all of these out with music. I will recap them all before we go with the beat as well, so don't freak out, you're good. So, last shuffle looks like this. Yeah, this one's a cool one, I like this one. So, again, no hops and no bottom in. So, you're going to kick your left leg out. Now, you can kick these directly in front if you want and hop it in. Or you can kick them out to the diagonals and hop it in. I'm going to teach out to the diagonals. If you really struggle with that, you can just kick it in front. Yeah, it's the same thing. So, you're going to kick left leg out, and you're going to kick right leg out. Then all you're going to do is step on that foot and bring the other foot in behind. Like that, easy. Yeah, again. So kick left leg out, kick right foot out, step on it, bring the other foot in. Now from here, you're going to kick this foot out. So kick right foot out, kick the left foot out, step on it, bring your other foot in behind. Then kick that left foot out, kick right foot out, step on it, bring it in behind. On the other side, kick right foot out, kick left foot out, step on it, bring it in behind. Okay, now let's do it with the hops. It's a little more complicated, but you'll be good. So we kick left foot out, make sure we're hopping. Kick right foot out. And you're going to hop onto that right foot as left foot comes in behind. And all you're going to do from here is hop back on that left foot as you kick that right foot out. And you switch, so bring that right foot in, kick left foot out. And you're going to hop onto your left foot as you bring that right foot in. To there, yeah? And again, nice. So we go kick left, kick right, hop in, kick right, kick left, hop in, kick left, hop right, kick in, kick right, kick left, hop in. Nice. Same with that one. We're on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now if you did ups to take it to the front, you're just doing a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Either one is good, either one is the same shuffle, yeah? That's all 5 shuffles. Let's recap them real quick now, and then we'll go with a beat. So your first shuffle was 1, 2, behind. So kick, kick, behind. Kick, kick, behind. Kick, kick, behind. Second shuffle was kick, kick, in front. Kick, kick, in front. Kick, kick, in front. Kick, kick, in front. Third shuffle was kick, kick, twist. Kick, kick, twist. Kick, kick, twist. Kick, kick, twist. Fourth shuffle was kick, kick, back. Kick, kick, back. Kick, kick, back. Kick, kick, back. And fifth shuffle was kick, kick, in. Kick, kick, in. Kick, kick, in. Kick, kick, in. Easy. So, let's do it. With the music, what we'll do with the music is we'll go each shuffle slow, then fast. Slow, then fast. With the beat, yeah? Let's do it. Okay, so how we're going to do this is we'll do each shuffle 4 times slow and 8 times fast. So all 5 shuffles, 4 times slow, 8 times fast, yeah? So how we move names up. I'll count us in. First one, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. First, kick behind. So 4 slow, and 8 fast. Let's go. 4. Now on to our second shuffle slow, in front. Now 8 fast. Let's go. 4. On to our third shuffle, 4 slow. Now twist. 8 fast. Let's go. 4. Fourth shuffle. Which is now hop back, 4 slow. Now make it quick. Let's go. 4. That's our last shuffle. Kick, kick, in. 8 quick. Let's go. Nice. There we go. Okay, so there it is. 5 easy house dance shuffles done. Now, if you struggled with any of them, just go back, rewind it, maybe just rewind it back to the drills and we did it with the beat. Do that a couple of times, get that good, yeah? Apart from that, we're done. So if you want to learn any more styles or any more house dance or routines, links in the description as always. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to keep up to date with the tutorials. If there's anything that I didn't do, you guys do want to see, be sure to leave a comment down below. Apart from that, see you in the next one.